Hello guys, hope everything's perfect for you and your loved ones. Today I'll show you how to buy an order from CNFANS. It's really easy. And what's CNFANS? Well, it's an online e-commerce. It's a store where you can buy easily products from China, original products from China. And what are we gonna do is go to Google and write CNFANS spreadsheets. As you can see, CNFANS, I already have it. So we're gonna click on whatever link we want. I don't have one, but then we're gonna go and see the products that they manage. So let's say I don't know, I just want some sneakers, maybe. Okay, so let's say this one. We're gonna go here and click it. And then what we're gonna do is select our colors selection. I think black are cool. Our size selection 36, and how many do we want? Remember, you can buy a lot in here. So let's say we want 100 and just add to cart. Check agree and add to cart. Once we add it, we're gonna go to the shopping cart, and we're gonna go to view cart. Well, I have to log in, but then you have to just put your ID, your credit card, or whatever you want to pay, however you want to pay, and then that's all. It's really easy. It's really simple. Hope it was really useful for you. Goodbye.